this is just down the street from my grandmother's house.
Come on.
All right, cut this one off.
She's going to lie down here. Come on now. Yeah, okay. Sing now.
Now give her her knitting.
Now what you want to do, get her to take the handlebars now, take a picture of her. Take the handlebars now.
Okay, now put one foot up there. You never run in front of the car again. Yeah.
And one foot over here.
Okay.
This side. You're there.
Move right back.
Just sit right back.
And then move right back. Now right into the seat. Look, the groove is there.
You mean tell me you never caught down like that in your life? I mean tell me you never caught down like that before in your life?
Oh my God, man, are you really going to go for a ride now? Are you really going for a ride, or are you just getting pictures? Go for a ride.
Take her.
There you are, buddy. There you are.
Well, you got a monkey hat on.
Oh, yeah.
Ah.
I just had to.
Oh, yeah, you just have to rinse the seat there and have it on the ground. Hey, now, this car's going on. Man, hold on. You can just fight up. Go, Mama, go. Have fun, Nan.
It's the day of, and I still have my coffee.
Yeah.
Wow, our mom, Mrs. Francis, is turning 80. Mom, the first woman in my life, my best friend, she always welcomes my thoughts, very eager to know of my hits and misses. It's always a mom who has the strongest and quietest influences on our children. Over the years, she has balanced so many roles, and we certainly all saw all this in our mom. On behalf of my two brothers, my sisters, we want to thank Mom for all the guidance and inspiration she has given us throughout our lives. We never always had the best of everything growing up, but we certainly had a great mom. These few words sums up Mom in a very special way. To care, to share, to understand, to talk. Whatever it was, she was always there for us. Mom has 15 grandchildren, 5 great-grandchildren, which she is very close to and has a special connection with each and every one of them, wherever they are too. Mom shares many emotions: happiness, sadness, fear, love, anger, helplessness, excitement, joy, and sorrow. All the while she hopes and prays that we will only know the good things in life. She's the place we came from, our first home, the map we followed with each step that we took. She was our first friend, even our first enemy, but nothing can ever separate us. Not even time, not distance, not death. We love you, Mom. Have a great night, Mom, and I'm sure that Dad will be kicking up his heels later on with us too. Please raise your glasses and help us toast our Mom.
Present on behalf of the grandchildren a presentation to their grandmother. I know you're going to do it well.
It's a great honor to stand before all of Nan's family and friends to pay tribute to a wonderful woman. On behalf of all of our grandchildren, great-grandchildren. Some of who are here and some who are not able to make it. I know whenever I can make a visit, Nan always welcomed me with open arms, and the times I couldn't make it at home, Nan was always just a phone call away. I'm sure this is the case for her other 14 grandchildren and 5 great-grandchildren. One of my most favorite memories of Nan was when I was about 11 years old. Nan was cooking up a stew and I asked what kind of meat she was putting in it. All she would tell me was that it was fresh meat. After I devoured 2 big bowls of the stew, Pop told me that it was moose meat. I didn't believe him. Nan told me that it was fresh meat. Pop told me next time I went to the washroom, if I saw black, it was moose meat. A few hours later, I went to the washroom and came out white as a ghost. I knew then what Nan had done to me. Nan, thank you for all of your love, kindness, compassion, understanding, and most of all, thank you for being an inspiration to me.
This is my whole life. The place I was born in. No matter where I go, it's in my soul. My baby wonder, a thousand places, but my heart will lead me back home. Each part of the door.
So earlier today I showed you guys the icebergs. I want to show you, it just flipped over. So I want to show you. You can see it right over top of the houses there.
She told him all the attributes of grace, that she knew he would learn a way of more. And by the time she wore the cover of her body, her hair was gray, her little boy had grown.
We're just right up the street. You can probably hear it in a couple minutes. So you can hear my Uncle Dan singing, which is awesome. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but that's the icebergs breaking up. That's really cool. One actually flipped over. I might have shown you earlier. I've had a couple of drinks, so I don't really remember what I've shown you. Yeah. So, no. I think that's a plane. Yeah, it's a plane. That's not the icebergs. Never mind. Don't know what I'm talking about.
That's better than going to town and today.
Everybody's going out, having fun. I guess that's why I stay home and never done. Can't get over how to set me free. Happy birthday.
Hey guys, so it's 20 to 3 in the morning, and the party ended over there at the hall. Now we're gonna have one here. There's my Uncle Austin. You made it back.
What?
You made it back for the other party.
Oh, yes.
Oh yes.
I made it home. I made it home to sit down with you.
Right. Hey guys, sorry about that last clip. My Uncle Austin came up, and I don't know. I decided to turn the camera off. But it's now 20 after 3. I'm losing my voice, and I'm really tired, so I'm gonna go to bed. But tonight was awesome. It's so much fun. My whole family was there except for my one uncle, and because he couldn't make it, but everybody was there, and I got to dance with my grandma to Eric Clapton's "You Are Wonderful Tonight," and that was awesome. And I had to get up and do a speech, which you guys saw, and yeah, I'm gonna go to bed because apparently we have to go and play ball tomorrow. Whoever planned this didn't plan it accordingly, and I guess tomorrow night there's another big party, and then Sunday there's another big party. Welcome home. Welcome to Newfoundland. Alright guys, good night.